In this video, I am showcasing the Ammo Lather Interior Cleanser, and let me start off by saying no, this video is not sponsored. And second, quit looking at other interior cleaners. This is the absolute best interior cleaner for your car that you're ever going to use. Now let me show you. So give your panel 2 simple squirts, go in with your boar's hair brush, which is the best way to use this product, and start spreading this stuff. As you can see for yourself, the lathering capabilities on this is absolutely incredible. I mean, lather is in the name of the bottle, so you'd expect it to behave this way, and it definitely does. Larry over at Ammo NYC specifically formulated this product to behave exactly like this. It is completely safe to use on plastics, leather, Alcantara, if I said that right, anywhere on the inside of your vehicle. Now, when you're ready to wipe it off, just grab a microfiber towel, buff it off your car's plastic, leather, whatever you're using on, and it will restore back to a matte finish. It does not leave behind any glossy, slimy, greasy mess. And whatever you don't wipe off by any chance, it will completely evaporate and it won't leave stains. So, sweet product. You can also apply this product by spraying it directly onto your towel. As you can see right there, it got a little bit of foamies on it. And you can just go back on your panel, wipe it as so, clean your leather, whatever. It applies just as easily using a towel, and then again, just wipe it off, let it evaporate, and you were good to go, baby. All I gotta do is give it 1 squirt on each side, grab your boar's head bristle brush, get in there, foam it up, lather it up, get all in there. Look, foaming up very nicely, all those bubbles. It also smells really good. I'm gonna put that down, then I'm gonna go in here with my towel and just dry it all off. Wipe it all up. Sorry guys, I'm trying to multitask and use a camera at the same time using my hand. It's a little bit difficult, but yeah. So dry it all up. It's hard to get your hands down there, but look at that. All that dust is completely gone. And what lather you don't soak up, it does not leave stains, it does not leave residue, it'll just evaporate, which is very nice. You can use this spray on your leather surfaces, seats, you know, leather, like I said, plastics. You can use it on Alcantara, which is what this headliner is. So you can use this product literally anywhere on the inside of your interior. So you got those little dust particles in there. I got my wet boar's hair brush. Still got foam on it. Look at there. Got some more dust over here in the corner. See all that right there? Gonna just tackle that with my brush. Nice foamies. All right, now I'm gonna grab my towel, dry it all up. Look at that, clean as a whistle. Oh crap, man. I've tried a lot of these other ammo products, and I really, if I'm being honest, I don't like them. However, this lather cleaner is by far the absolute best. This bottle, if you're wondering how much it is $20 on the Ammo NYC website. Plus you have to pay $10 for shipping, so it comes out to a total of $30. A little expensive, but you are getting your money's worth out of this bottle. It is going to last you well over a year. I personally have had this over a year, and I've only used half the bottle. I'm a hobby detailer, so I'm not washing cars on the daily. Obviously, if you're someone who's doing detailing for a living, you might go through these a lot quicker, and it might not be the most cost effective. But for someone like me who's only using this on my car like once a month maybe, definitely worth the value. And by far, I probably said this 1,000 times now, but by far the absolute best interior cleaner I have ever used, mainly due to those lather capabilities. On top of it, this product also has UV protectant, which is pretty sweet. So you can apply it. When I first bought this car, I applied it all up here. So there's not really much else to say about this product other than go buy some. And again, this video is not monetized. It is not sponsored. Ammo did not pay me to make this video. I just think this is an incredible interior detailer spray, and you should go buy some. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Happy detailing, and stay glossy, my friends.